Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Search Console access for your website, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Google Search Console access for your website, start by navigating to the Google Search Console homepage. Sign in with your Google account credentials. Once you're signed in, click on the Start Now button. Select the property type you want to add. You can choose between domain or URL prefix. For a domain property, enter your full domain name without www or http. For a URL prefix property, enter the specific URL you wish to manage. Next, click the Continue button. You will then need to verify ownership of the property. Google provides several verification methods to choose from. Select the method that works best for you. Common methods include uploading an HTML file, adding a meta tag to your website, or using your Google Analytics account. If you choose the HTML file method, download the file and upload it to the root directory of your website. If you opt for the meta tag method, copy the provided HTML tag. Then, paste this tag into the head section of your website's homepage. For the Google Analytics method, ensure that your account is linked to your Google Search Console. After implementing your chosen method, return to the Google Search Console. Click the Verify button to confirm ownership. If the verification is successful, you will see a confirmation message. If verification fails, double-check the steps you took to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once verified, you will have access to Google Search Console for your website. You can now monitor your site's performance and optimize it for better search results. Remember to check back regularly to keep track of your website's analytics. Familiarize yourself with the various features available to enhance your website's visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.